What you and many people may not know is that liver disease is very common. About 1 in 4 adults walking on this planet have liver disease. Did you know
Wow.
that?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So about 22 to 25% adults will have liver disease. Now it doesn't mean that they have serious liver disease. They have initial stages of liver disease. And there are basically 4 types of disease that account for 90% of the liver disease burden in humans. One is hepatitis C, second is hepatitis B, third is liver disease due to excessive alcohol or alcoholic liver disease, and fourth is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease that afflicts people who are obese or who are uncontrolled diabetics
Right.
or who have excessive cholesterol. So these are the 4 main diseases of the liver that afflict a lot of human beings. Liver has a lot of reserve. While that is a boon, because obviously part of it can get damaged and you may not be affected, that is also a problem.
Right.
Because nobody gets any symptoms, anything that you can tell, unless the liver is at least 50 or 60% damaged.
Oh
So
my
the
God.
first 40 or 50% of liver damage will go unnoticed. It will escape notice because there are no obvious symptoms. But when the damage reaches 50, 55, 60%, at that point in time, the hemoglobin will drop. Patients may start getting little amounts of bleed in their gastrointestinal tract from the stomach or from the food pipe, and small amounts of blood go unnoticed. The blood passes in the stool. They just drop their hemoglobin without actually them seeing any blood. So that's the initial thing. So they will get anemia, they'll get weakness, fatigue. They will suddenly say, I used to be able to walk 2 kilometers without a problem. Now I walk 200 yards and I get tired. So simple tiredness and fatigue.